Are you ready to add a touch of handmade magic to your Christmas decor? Today, we're exploring the world of free Christmas tree skirt quilt patterns that will transform your holiday setup. Christmas tree skirts are more than just decorative elements. They elegantly frame your tree, hide unsightly stands, and provide a beautiful backdrop for presents. By creating your own quilted tree skirt, you're not just decorating. You're crafting a family heirloom that will be cherished for years to come. Let's look at some standout patterns from our curated collection. The Frosted Pines tree skirt offers 2 variations of pine tree templates, perfect for advanced quilters who enjoy paper piecing. With a 48-inch diameter, it creates an elegant foundation for your Christmas display. For those who love traditional quilt blocks, the Granny Square quilted tree skirt is a delightful option. This 39 by 39 inch skirt features classic Granny Square blocks arranged on point, creating a charming centerpiece that can double as a quilt. If you're short on time, consider the Speedy Spiral Christmas tree skirt. This quick and easy pattern creates a charming spiral design with ruffled borders, adding a festive touch to your tree without requiring weeks of work. Our collection includes patterns for all skill levels, from confident beginners to advanced quilters. You'll find designs ranging from traditional reds and greens to more contemporary color palettes. Some patterns feature applique ornaments, others showcase intricate piecing, and a few even offer reversible options for added versatility. Whether you prefer a classic look like the Log Cabin Christmas tree skirt or something more whimsical like the Grinchmas tree skirt, there's a pattern to suit every taste and decor style. Creating your own quilted tree skirt is a wonderful way to infuse your holiday decorations with personal flair and craftsmanship. Want even more Christmas tree skirt inspiration? So why not pick a pattern and start stitching? Visit ilovequiltingforever.com for a merry collection of patterns. Your Christmas tree and your family will thank you for years to come.